Hey, it's Fuzzy back here. Okay, you guys, I did something really stupid the other day. I tried to multifunction. Now, I can do it, but not when you're doing hills and stuff like that. But you can see right here, I won't give you the story. It's, yeah. Anyway, this handle, the ergonomic handle, ended up under the mower while it was running. I mean, look at the end of that. That is sharp. So, to get me through my day, I just taped this up, made a bowl on the end, and so I wouldn't hurt myself, so on and so forth. And yeah, ordered a new one, got one in today. It's the exact same one. So what I wanted to give you guys a little bit of insight on is now this old one. I don't know if they changed this on the new ones, but the handle, the glue on the handle starts to get warm, and it'll start to turn. So what I've done is I drilled a hole through there and put a stove bolt. Then I put some high tense red thread lock on here, okay? So I just made it nice and smooth and so on and so forth. You can see that there like that. So yeah, so all that's gonna stop is this thing from turning on the handle, okay? Because it was getting to a point, now this is the third season, I think, or second, or whatever it is, of this thing, and it was sliding off. I'd have to put it back on, put a piece of tape on here so it wouldn't slide. That didn't help. But anyway, so these are great. I'll tell you what, these don't move. Once this is clamped down, it doesn't move. And I'm happy with it for the price they are. There's a link in the description if you want one or even have a look at it. There are more expensive ones, but are they better? Yeah, probably not. Just and this is aluminum, so it's really light. And yeah, so we're gonna change this out, put the new one on, and go from there. But all in all, don't make dumb mistakes. All right, that's my review, and that's my story for today. Make sure you subscribe and like and all that kind of stuff. Always putting out content for you guys and some information, and go from there. Take care.